Alright guys, so this came in the mail. Let's see what's inside. Alright. Danger! Captain Manny. Damn. Look at this. So right here it says Captain Manny. And over here, last name. Damn. Danger. Damn, guy. So tomorrow, I'm gonna take it to work. Danger. Might not be doing pipeline work or anything like that, but this is sweet. Ever since I saw it, I want to get it. So this is what it comes. The package. Pretty straightforward. It's leather. It's nice. They can put your name like you guys saw right here on the back. You can put your name and everything, whatever you want to put in there. Your last name, nickname, whatever. Alright. So let's get it. Let's take it to work.